So I wanted to give you guys part 2 of filing for him cost her her life. That was the video that I uploaded this morning. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll link it below and also in the cue cards above. But what I was saying before my lovely family came and interrupt me was the mere fact that this man went and voice recorded what he did tells me that it was premeditated, it was planned, and he showed no remorse in the voicemail or the voice note that he sent. He was bigging up people and all that. So quite honestly, whatever him get, him fi take, okay? And we got some more updates on what actually happened. So the update on what allegedly happened is the lady had 2 kids, and the 2 kids' father was around the same age as her, and she wanted to go back and be with the father of her kids. And she was posting pictures on Facebook of her and the baby father, and that's what got him upset. And also she works for the government, and if you guys didn't know, you can actually get someone deported if you marry them and they came over here under false pretense. You can get them deported. You can go to the US embassy and say, I married this person because I thought they actually loved me, but comes to find out they only wanted me for a green card, or they only wanted me for citizenship, and they will deport that person. And because that lady works for the US government allegedly, that's why the man felt like he was going to be deported to Jamaica, because they were going through the court process. I think she was filing for divorce or something, but that part isn't really clear. I'm saying that to say this does not warrant him killing her. If she wanted a divorce and wanted to be with her baby's father, then let it be. Let it be, because at the end of the day, that's the kid's father. She have 2 kids with him, not 1, 2. So they were in a really real relationship, and you're younger and she's older. The age gap is going to be a big difference, and it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to make a relationship like that work. Okay, it's a lot of work. So that's the little update that we got on that situation. She wanted to be back with her old baby father. Somebody filed for him, and he come a US, and them start messing around with them one another, and the boy got jealous because the lady was filing for a divorce from him, and that's why him claim him snap. So that's the update. And then the other story that I was talking about was the 2 men that raped the 2 tourists in Jamaica, or tried to rape the tourists in Jamaica. One of them got shot by the victim that they tried to rape. One of the girls disarmed him and shot him, and that's how he got caught. I don't know if they caught the other one. According to the news article that I read, they haven't caught the other one yet, and the only reason why they caught this one was because he was actually injured and he couldn't move freely because of the gunshot wound that he has. These 2 men that actually tried to rape this girl, these 2 girls, were training at the Rio Hotel for just 3 days. So my question is, did Rio do a background check on these people that they're hiring, or They just hire anybody, because right then and there you can tell that they probably done this before. They probably would have escaped and gotten away with it if the girl did disarm one of them and shot him. So there's a lot. Look at Yatanya. They raped her in Arnett Gardens and burned her body. There are a lot of serial rapists living in Jamaica, and we need to address that. We need to actually start talking about it. We need to start bringing awareness to it, because women need to start protecting themselves. What if you have to take some kung fu class, if you have to take some self-defense class, if you have to take classes to get your gun license, if you have to take precautions not going out certain time, make sure you have a lot of company. If you're going out, have somebody with you. And even then, people that you trust can still double cross you and put you in harm's way. But it's all up to you as a person to know who you trust and know who you think you're safe with. So I want to know, like, what are the precautions that these hotels go through when hiring men or hiring people? Because they were in training for just 3 days, and they end up raping these or trying to rape these 2 women. I'm not sure if the rape actually took place or if it didn't took place, or if they just raped one, because they are withholding a lot of information until the investigation is complete. But that's neither here nor there. I hope they catch the other one, and I hope the one that they caught rot in jail. They no forget no short sentencing or any of that. But I'm gonna wrap up this video. Look out for a Massacre Stay Strong review, Movado Dancehall Prophecy review, and hubby is going to do Marlon Lyrical Scientist review. So stay tuned for all those videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuces.